What's good, everybody on YouTube? Today I have a really quick review of the Jordan 3 Palomino. The Jordan 3 Palomino were released July 29th for a retail price of $200 in full family sizing. This shoe is a mixture of tans. We have light tans, we have creams going all throughout the shoe, but my favorite part is this nice chocolate brown elephant print. The shoe also features gold accents on the tongue and on the heel. If you're wondering what Palomino means, a Palomino is a type of horse. This horse features the colors of this shoe. We have browns, light tans, all things in that nature. A Palomino horse is pretty much a light brown horse. And I guess this sneaker represents that. A Palomino shoe to match a Palomino horse. This sneaker had a mixture of release dates. It was supposed to release in August, then they moved it to a date in July. But like I said, the official date is July 29th at 10 a.m. It'll release on Nike sneakers, Nike.com, and other foot sites, including sneaker boutiques. So if you want a pair, definitely get on the site early and you can copy a pair with no issue. If you're considering buying this shoe for resale purposes, I'm going to tell you right now to hold off. Currently, this is before the release and the shoe is going for $250 to $280 on the resale market. So when the shoe does release, I'm pretty sure it'll drop down to around $200, $210, $220, which is not a lot to make a profit for you. And I'm assuming that a few weeks after the release, it'll go back up to the price that it's currently at now, which is once again $250 to $280, which is once again not really much of a profit. Leave these shoes to the people that want to get them. Let them sit on shelves, let them sit on stores. Maybe even going on sale, cop then, because then you can definitely make a profit. But I say in a year, maybe 2 years from now, these shoes might hover around the $300 price range, but I don't think anything crazy because, once again, this shoe is very simple and it doesn't have a storyline. This is Jordan Brand's upcoming take on the Air Jordan 3. It's centered around a striking mix of light Orewood Brown, metallic gold, light British tan / Palomino. The Air Jordan 3 Palomino features beige tone suede uppers accented by brown elephant overlays at the eye stays, toe, and heel regions. In addition, the details come in a form of tan perforated leather collars and tongues with a matching eyelet and lace. The branding includes metallic gold Jumpman logos at the tongue, heel counter, and printed insoles. The shoe also features brown / beige midsoles and gray rubber outsoles. The Air Jordan 3 Palomino is set to arrive with special packaging, priced at $200 USD. That's pretty much all I got for these Air Jordan 3 Palominos. Like I said, there's not much to them, just the summertime Jordan release. But this shoe will go perfect in the fall. If you want to have a nice brown Tone Jones outfit, get this shoe. But if not, let them sit, keep pushing, and go on to the next one. My name is Chris Claxton, and this is my platform, Something Light Media. And this is my sneaker series, Kicks Are for Chris, because my name is Chris, and kicks are definitely for me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have a ton of content coming. If you like pop culture, this is what this platform is all about. So like I said, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I just checked in. Now I'm checking out. Thank you for watching. Peace.